There's a few different options available for net weight filling equipment, especially if you're not ready necessarily to take the step into a fully automated filling machine. Um, so you can get the benefits of the fill accuracy and some of the recipe-based bottle handling during fill cycle in a semi-automatic format that can be a stopgap while the business grows and necessitates full automation. So we build a variety kind of designed to spec for the customer, depending on bottle shapes and fill volumes of semi-automatic or tabletop net weight fillers. And then what we try and do with these net weight fillers, even though the format of the machine looks vastly different, is that we can use components because the principle for fluid handling and all that is the same. We can use components that a customer may be able to reuse as they take steps towards full automation, be that the ball valves that we use for filling, the actual load cells for the scaling during fill. What you have on a tabletop machine is basically the load cell and the wetted parts without all of the product handling and the programming associated with that to do your fill in a inline sort of orientation. But basic principles and basic programming for the fill cycle hardware is the same as the fully automated option. So it's a good cost-effective way to drive a lot more volume than just manually filling on a scale. We see not a significant dive in actual bottle throughput on the NetWay fillers, especially as your jugs are in the higher volume, gallon, 2.5 gallon jugs. Your bottleneck there really is how fast an operator can load and unload bottles, and then you have the associated labor costs involved with semi-automatic packing. But everything we do, we try and make as modular as possible with the intention to reuse components as your packaging line grows and becomes more automated.